How to draw the Island Boys, step by step. Hey everyone! So for the first step of drawing the Island Boys, we're going to begin by drawing two big U-like shapes for the jawline, one on the left and one on the right hand side. And if you're new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like today's video. Nice! Now a little bit to the right, we're going to draw the second U-like shape. In today's drawing, we will only be drawing the faces, so the second U-like shape will be the same size as what we just drew on the left-hand side. Now that we're all done drawing those U-like shapes, we will now draw the hairline, which will be connected to those U-like shapes that we just drew. We'll begin right here on the left-hand side. The hairline will connect from the inside. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video if you have any issues at all. Since the basic outline of the face will be similar for both of the Island Boys, we'll draw the exact same hairline that we just drew on the left hand side, but on the right. Well done, so far we have both outlines of the heads drawn. Next we're going to begin to draw the ears on each head by using simple C-like shapes. Later on in the video, you'll notice that we're going to draw the earrings by drawing small circles attached to the ears, but we will not do this just yet. This is one of the first TikTokers or even influencers that I've ever drawn. What other TikTokers or influencers would you like to learn how to draw? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so other Island Boy fans and YouTube artists can also learn how to draw the Island Boys. Now once we're all done drawing the ears, the next thing that we do will draw the hair. We're going to begin to draw the hair on the left hand side. The cool part about this is that you can make the pieces of the hair as long, short, or crazy as you would like. I'll first draw two curvy lines, one on each side of the head, which will both connect to the ears. Now in between these two curvy lines and connected, we're going to begin to draw the long pieces of hair that stick up from the Island Boy's head. The main reason that I'm giving these long pieces of hair a little bit of a curve is so that they appear as if they have texture. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors if you'd like to. Nice! I really like how my hair turned out. Now we're going to go over a little bit to the right and we're going to begin to draw the second set of hair. It might be a good idea to make this look a little bit different than what we just drew on the left hand side. So as of recent, we've been going back and forth between the two drawings. The hair will be one of the last steps of going back and forth. The next step that we do that will be going back and forth will be adding in the detail inside of the ears. We will connect this last piece of hair all the way down to the ear. Nicely done. So far we're making great progress as well as great time. Now we're going to begin to add in a little bit of detail inside of each ear that we previously drew. Are you all done adding detail to the inside of the ears? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Next, on the left hand side, we're going to begin to draw the nose as well as the mouth. Now right below the nose that we previously drew, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. The mouth will not appear to be open, it will just be a mouth with two lips, which will make the lips by just drawing a line separating the two sides of the mouth. When we draw the mouth of the island boy on the right hand side of the page, we'll make his mouth appear to be open. Now around the mouth that we just drew, we're going to add in a couple small curved lines for detail. Fantastic, so far this drawing looks great. Now right above the nose, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. To draw the eyes, we're just going to make a simple curved line with a small circle attached to it. Then we'll draw the pupil on the inside of the circle that we draw attached to the curved line. Now on the inside of the circle, we're going to add in a smaller circle with a black dot in the center to help draw the pupil along with the iris. Now just like how we drew the eye on this side, we're going to do the exact same thing on the left. Now above each eye, let's go ahead and draw an eyebrow. Now we're not going to draw the face tattoos just yet. Next, we're going to move over to the right hand side and we're going to begin to draw the eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrows just as we did on the left. Now below the nose, we're going to begin to draw the mouth, which will appear to be open. Now let's draw an outline on the inside of the mouth to help separate the lips from the inside. On the top of the mouth, we'll add in teeth. On the bottom of the mouth, we'll add in a small curved line to draw the tongue. Now around the mouth, I'm going to add in a couple small lines for detail. Are you all done? If so, let's continue. Now we're going to begin to draw the eyes, just as we did on the left hand side. The right side will look similar to what we previously drew together. Later on in the video, you'll notice that I'm going to color in the eyes a dark brown color for both of the island boys. Next, directly above, let's draw an eyebrow. The most important part about making the island boys look a little bit different is 1. Drawing the face tattoos, and 2. The hair color. Now the last step before we add detail will be to draw the eyebrow right above the eye that we previously drew. Next, to draw the face tattoos, we're going to begin to draw what will appear to be a black bird in the middle of the right island boy's forehead. In today's drawing, we're not going to draw all of the tattoos, and we're not going to make them all look the exact same as they actually are. Now let's go ahead and fill in this bird that we just drew completely black. Now we're going to draw 3 more tattoos on the right island boy. We're going to draw 2 tattoos on each side of the mouth, along with 1 in the top left hand corner of the forehead. Nice, now we're all done drawing the right island boy. Now let's move over to the left hand side. I'm going to begin to draw a face tattoo in the middle of the eyebrows. If you want yours to look exact, then you can draw a number 17, although mine will look a little bit different. Now I will draw 2 more smaller face tattoos. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. For the last step of today's drawing, we're going to draw a small circle on the bottom of each ear to help represent the earrings of the island boys. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of the island boys came out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share it with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a big like so other island boy fans and YouTube artists can also learn how to draw them. Great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.